Meet Mago Whiteboard, an engaging, real-time whiteboard your whole team can draw on together.
Open it in one tap. No install, no account. Remove a background in one click. Or swap in a whole new scene. Turn a photo into a clean vector. Wipe away clutter instantly. Snap a flip chart, and it's digitized. Drop in a YouTube video. React, vote, and comment together. Meeting equity by design. Bring in a multi-page PDF and mark up every page. Your notes stay right where you put them. Hit present, and everyone follows your view. No more, which page are we on? In a meeting, send your board straight to the room screen. Everyone sees it live and joins from any browser. Mago Whiteboard. Discover more at mago.io.